Hey, I noticed you had two misunderstandings about the distributive property, so I just wanted to walk through them here to help clear up those misunderstandings. For this first problem, fifth, whoopsie, where's that? There we go. 15 minus 7 times the quantity n plus 3. When thinking about what is being distributed, what multiplication, it's really helpful to rewrite that as addition. So we could say 15n plus negative 7 times n plus 3. So you can see the factor that you're going to be multiplying and distributing to both terms is negative 7, not positive 7. So you'll have 15n plus negative 7n plus negative 21, which will give you 8n minus 21. So this subtracting 7 of those is the same as adding negative 7 times that. So you might find that this is a helpful step when you're trying to decide whether you're multiplying by a positive or a negative number. All right, the second one I wanted to talk about was this problem right here. Um, I noticed that you mentioned the distributive property as part of your answer. This is a case where we're not going to use the distributive property. And we're not going to use it because what we have is all multiplication. This is the same as saying r squared times s. And these parentheses just mean multiplication here. So times r times s to the third. When we multiply powers, we can multiply powers with the same base. So we're going to multiply the r's and we're going to multiply the s's. So this is the same as r times another r. So r cubed times s to the fourth. If you were going to use the distributive property, the problem would look subtly different. You could have r squared s times r plus s cubed. So this distributive property is used when you have addition that needs to happen before multiplication. And since we can't add these together, the distributive property says, okay, well then what we need to do is multiply this by both of the terms. So addition with multiplication, the distributive property, but in the case of all multiplication, you just go ahead and multiply the different factors. All right, I hope you found this little quick mini lesson helpful. Please feel free to come to Math Lab if you want to talk about this some more or work a few problems together.